Proper thing. So this is my forest one. What is this?
Eat it and
Labba?
taste it. Labba. Taste it and you tell me what it is.
You get to
I want a very private
Go
video.
Guyanese. Go Guyanese.
what kind of?
It's Labba. It's wild. And you gotta eat it Guyanese style.
You gotta pick it up
with
with your fingers.
And you gotta chatty.
And don't scarn it, or else why need to for your skin. Don't do that. Make sure you when you pick
Don't
up,
eat it at 2 mind.
Don't eat it too mine.
Well, does it taste like chicken?
Yes.
Yes.
Better than chicken.
But who cook it?
Hey man.
Captain,
You asking too much questions. Don't answer no more questions, man.
Yeah.
Why you the freaking thing?
Captain Blackbite, if you cook it,
Yes, he cook it.
I eat it.
He prepared.
He tore the pot. The other one tore.
All right. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. I
Labba, I tried it.
I feel like this is like part of peer pressure.
Yes, it's peer pressure, so eat it.
Did you eat it?
Of course I did.
Danny, did you eat it?
I got cheers one.
Daddy, lick it up. Oh look, he
The man done eating already. The man here makes style for me, you know. This shop here makes style for me, you know.
Cheers.
Daddy's like, cheers.
Oh, it tastes good.
You got chatty in your
Of
hand.
course it tastes good.
You know what's chatty?
Lick up
No.
your finger. Lick up
Lick
your
the finger then.
Captain cook it. Whatever this is, it tastes like goat meat.
It's good then. Wild goat. Wild goat.
I know Diane can't lie. Diane, what kind of meat is it? It's wild meat, true?
Yeah.
Okay. It tastes good.
This man I know you for this. This man should have known that. As an avid watcher, follower, etc.
I didn't watch the show this Sunday.
Yeah.
Because we were here.
Correct.
But next Sunday, I got double
You're
up.
binge watching it go. Yeah.
Oh, this is good. Flavor good, the curry good.
And it
Bye.
just finishes there.
Bashi, you gotta bring more things my one.
Huh?
Still cooking.
Could you turn up the
there's more.
stove a little more?
Hold on. Listen.
You gotta show me what like.
You gotta show me the pot in 4K.
When that's done, you have to put that one.
Daddy, I could see it, right? Come back by.
Danny come to
Look good.
have to taste good.
Well, I'm sure it's gonna taste good. With all them pepper inside.
It's got more goodness than the good.
Oh yeah?
We're
going in.
The bhaji and then
Yeah.
we have the
Okay.
Love this.
we have some this to throw in.
Oh wow.
Look at that here.
We got lava over there, mate. Hey, Captain.
Labba. Wherever we eat just now, I want to worry now.
Right inside this, there's this pressure pot.
Okay. This thing, Alex, how you would say this is the goodness?
That's a lot of portion.
There's a lot.
The real thing that go in here.
The what?
The bhaji, the okra.
They gotta go in there?
Yeah. More good.
We call it a lot of portion.
All right.
You added love to the pot.
So which one is Paku? What?
This here.
Just normal fish.
That's Paku? No, it's okay. Thank you. That's Paku?
Yeah.
Officially, it's toadfish. Toadfish. Yeah.
Toadfish.
Yeah, well, Guyana can't tapaku. Labba said the fish resemble heat.
Jesus Christ.
That's a lot more.
Cheers for that.
Cheers, like.
Cheers for that.
I said, why should I smile, man?
That is strong, right?
You know why should I smile?
Oh, we're gonna put them two together and check it out.
Oh no. Looking good.
Yeah. One of the best fish you got here.
Coral.
That's what we call fish and chips. The extra space around the karahi is where you put the chips.
This.
Uh-huh. Powerful.
Good.
Okay.
You want to go New York
Uh-huh.
or Canada?
New York.
You want to come back soon when you
They
want.
eat that.
Really?
Eat the paku, you come back right here.
Trust me.
I can taste that stuff.
Yeah, trust me.
That's the beano, alright. The beano. The market ayo.
Yeah,
Market fish.
Paku is a jar, strong bean, and not rest.
The market.
Is that a real thing?
Why you not trying to know? You're not trying to know.
I don't know what's real right now.
Just enjoy life.
That's it.
Enjoy life to the fullest. Yeah. As we are doing here right now. Can't get better. Can't get better than this one. You're subject to the man. Yeah.
This is real freshness.
Yes, it is.
This caught but 3 days ago
Yeah.
in Northwest, and now it's in the island.
But Danny, your best video is in the interior.
Yo,
Yeah,
Danny,
buddy.
for real.
Your best video.
I love nature, buddy. And more coming. More, I got to take you, I officially invite you on a trip.
Yes.
Extra. It's a try.
going fishing. Tell us, if
Are you coming?
call me, man. If you don't want
No problem, man. No problem.
Compliments.
Come. Let me test this fish.
Captain White
Oh,
Bite.
wow.
Captain Black Boy. What fish is it?
Yes.
Paku. You tried this one.
This one.
You tried that one.
Let me get some pepper and ketchup.
You got hot.
No. I want to eat this natural form.
Natural.
Yeah. Like
You want this
expensive steak.
But it's hot though.
The gluiness.
Oh my God. Watch
Paku.
Watch this.
The
Watch this.
gluiness I want you to try.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, power, beer power.
From a fisherman
Power.
to you. Try it out.
Tell him about Paku power. Tell him.
Yeah.
I'm Paku power.
Oh my
I know
God.
it's hot.
It's hot, buddy. It's hot. If you don't know we're doing it, it ain't problem.
on your mouth.
But you see that gluiness
Is
there?
it glue I want?
There's the power. Yeah, there's the power.
Is it glue I want?
Yeah, proper. Trust
All right. Here's to it.
Cheers.
Thank you. Cheers, my man. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Now you gotta give me a review.
How can Paku get better than this?
You know, I'm gonna tell you a story. My father always tell me he don't like paku, right?
Yes.
He said that fish so ugly.
Yeah.
I don't want to even eat it.
Good.
And let me tell you,
How
his
it
son,
taste?
no, he didn't. This is the best fish I ever had.
Good. I know I tell you. That's why I ordered that after book.
Yeah.
Paku only.
Paku.
This is the man. This is the man.
The other cameraman got try it now, boy.
Yeah. That 360 view.
Yes. Try it out.
Yeah, Danny. Yeah.
Try it out, bro.
Wait, you get flesh in it?
No.
Yeah, it must get flesh.
Just that one.
Okay.
You try it, man. Eat that little gluiness there.
Yeah, you know, this is it.
That jiggly part, you eat that.
Yeah.
And you're gonna tell me what going on.
Okay.
Don't be afraid, man. Close your eyes.
Is that wild meat?
No, it's fish.
It's a wild fish, a wild catfish.
Paku, boy.
Paku, you like it?
Power.
That's good.
Power. Compliment to the chef.
The chef, yes. No, that fish is proper.
Yeah.
Out of all the expensive fish, we choose that.
Paku's expensive.
And it is expensive for real, yes.
Expensive?
It is. Because you don't get a lot of it.
No, when you go to market, you have to pay price for it.
But yeah, definitely.
Okay,
So, the two fish are in Paku for wrapper. In the meantime, look for the current. Look it up there with the chana, the chickpeas, and the cook up there. You know, all good there.
Looking whatever that.
Now, that is what I call fish and chips.
That's what I'm looking at, right?
Cook up looking real
Right?
good there.
Fish and chips. Yeah, the cook up looking proper. Yeah, we celebrating here, right?
This is good.
Good, right? Yes.
Life.
Life can't get better.
That's right. Triple.
The
It's
only
good.
problem, I'm going to get about 3 hours more
For
sunlight.
sunlight. Yeah.
So we're going to make here while the
Strong,
sun
up your
shines.
back.
Yeah.
Alright, now you got light here, don't worry. We put on the car lights.
Yes.
Hey.
Yeah,
No, we got fish Friday.
So I guess you don't regret coming to Guyana.
No regret.
You want to come back again?
You're not telling him.
But I gotta be careful what I'm saying because this man get jealous.
Come again, you come anytime. Alright. Hey, fun time here, man.
I love it, Javid. It's okay. Man, this is good.
Thank you very much.
Meal's gonna stay.
before
Get
the
off
road
the
to go
piece
into
of
Harmony where the land is.
The what?
The road to go into where.
So this is where the creek is?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
This was the road before.
This is what is it?
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, this was it.
This is what?
No. I don't know.
Guyanese cook-up.
Yes.
Sell them Guyanese cook-up.
Bunny?
This okra, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Pepper.
Hey, price one.
Dollar pepper.
Good video here, long time.
Time for a review.
Long time I remember.
So Danny, since you review everyone,
Yeah.
how is the food?
I got one problem. With the food.
With the food.
I wasn't allowed to take as much as I like.
Jeez.
I get too limited food. You understand? There's plenty people, so I had to take a little bit.
You're limited.
Yes, man.
Okay.
But the food is 100%, 110% proper. This man here.
Yeah.
Compliments.
And
Captain.
look, you see here, watch. We have the we pepper, that little red thing there.
Only in Guyana.
Only in Guyana.
Only in Guyana.
Cheers.
The cook-up can't cook.
Can't go better. Can't get better than this, yeah.
Can't get.
Without the pepper,
Yeah.
can't taste better.
Okay.
Can't taste well.
Got it.
You have
How's
to
the
get
fish?
coconut milk.
Yeah.
This is
Yes.
Paku, number one. We are fishermen. And if fishermen eating Paku, follow the fishermen.
There you go. And the wild meat?
101%. Look how much on the plate here. This Labba they running in Separoni recently. If you know, you know.
And fish pro.
Yeah.
Got it in the pot.
Yes, bubbling.
Good job.
Proper man.
Very good. We liming and we enjoying life,
Yep.
as my friend would say. Right, Pooh?
Life to the fullest.
Yes.
Because the fella sing, enjoy yourself to the max, cause you never know when again we gonna do this.
Yes.
You know the fella from Trinidad, right? Ruby. Jamaica. Yeah. Enjoy yourself to the max.
Enjoy yourself. It's not about the destination, but it's about the journey. All right.
Enjoy life journey.